feel like making a diorama, but I never know what to do with them once I make them. So I'm going to give this one away to one of you guys. And I'm going to build it around this cute little dude. At the end of the video, we'll figure out who gets to have it. For free. I'll just mail it to you. No big deal. Easy peasy.
So this guy's from the Humblewood setting in Dungeons & Dragons. This isn't sponsored at all, I just think it's a cool setting with some really cute little minis in it. And this little owl dude is a little warrior off on some sort of cool adventure, and I'm going to help him out as best I can. Get his feather all tidied up. Even though he's kind of blurry, I'll paint his eyes, and then he comes right into focus, which I think is kind of cool. So hey, look at this guy. Hey dude.
Like most things in my life, I don't really have a plan. But I do have a small piece of wood and some foam. Let's wing it.
To get something that resembles Earth, I'm going to use foam, which of course is the obvious choice. And then carve it away until it kind of more or less looks like an organic shape. Heat gun kind of smooths it out a little bit and hardens it a little bit. We're gonna mix up some muddy mud, smear it around, just kind of harden the surface a little bit and give it a smoother texture that's gonna take the paint pretty nicely. That concrete works okay to make rock shapes. And the other thing I've discovered is that sand looks pretty decent as sand, and that the only good use for dollar store tea is as dirt. And the best use for dollar store green tea is green dirt. Some washes and dry brushing kind of get the rock looking like rock again, which makes me wonder why I bothered with the concrete at all. I don't know, we'll push and pull this until it more or less looks like a rocky surface. Kinda. And if my fake rock doesn't look like rock enough, I'll use real rocks to really sell the illusion of rocks. Finally, I can electrocute myself. This is what you get when you make your own static grass applicator. It's shocking. And then flocking helps to hide my rock that doesn't actually look like rock. And as our little owl dude looks on, slow, goopy rivers of time. Little frog. Some rocks. This is all beginning to complete the look. It's actually starting to look like a real place, right? A little glade to go and hang out down there. Chill with that frog. Smell those flowers. All on the way to preparing for some wild little adventure. Now off we go. Into the adventure land with little owl dude.
So I'm pretty darn happy with how this dude turned out. He's so cute. I'm going to give it away to one subscriber. If you like, subscribe, and leave a nice comment on this date, I'll pick a winner. And then I'll mail it to you. I just want to be able to share what I make, and this is fun for me. Like and subscribe.